All right, here you go. Trying to do more content for my my medium-term furnished vacation rental here in Southern California. It's a lake villa, and here you can see, I think a lot of people. The house is actually, really nice, about 2,500 square feet. Updated every time I can, but a lot of people rent it for the, the spa, the slide, the pool, and then the view. This is probably one of the best views actually here in this lake community, which is my lake villa here in Southern California. And then I just did that turf. That's about 500 square feet of turf that I added summer 2019, which has been just so fantastic. And I'm actually getting ready to put some more turf along here where the mulch is. But yeah, so somebody rented, quite a bit, about over $10,000 for 30 days starting before July 4th, because they want to catch the fireworks here with the lake view. And I'm actually getting ready to put some turf right here where the mulch is as well, because it's been such a, it's just been so great having that turf, and I did it through a hero loan. Okay, everybody, happy summer.